Well,
Okay, what are we going to do?
We're going to pull this tape off and cut it.
I'm going to open it up. Get the instructions out.
And the spray.
Oh, that's a cool spray bottle.
You have to put some water in it.
All right, let's look right here on the side. Here's the instruction manual. Day 1. Listen. Remove the perforated covers to make a large X shape cut on the plastic wrapper. Do not remove the plastic wrapper. Lightly scrape off some of the white layer on top of the mushroom log. Repeat the steps on the other side. Remove the mushroom log from the box and soak it in water for 6 to 10 hours. Shake off excess water and then put it back in. It's heavy. Heavy cardboard.
Are you cutting it?
Just getting it started. Okay, see if you can pull it off now. Good. Okay, good. Okay, it says to cut this. You feel that plastic? You feel it? It said don't take it off. So we got to cut.
An X.
Yeah, oh, you're right. So how's the next go? Okay. Good job.
And now scrape it with a fork.
Oh, what did I do with the forks? Oh, I took them in yonder. Let me go get it. Hang on. Okay, I got my fork. So scrape it. Let's do it together.
Do it.
All right, hold it. Go scrape it on the X. And let's scrape this side. And let's scrape this side. All right, now we got to roll it over and do this side the same way. And what are we putting on it?
An X.
An X, yes. Okay, go. Hands back here. Okay, and I'm going to scrape it. Get your heads in front of the... Look at me. Look at me. Okay, let's scrape it this way with the teeth of the fork. Alright, now we've got to put it in water, so let's go put water in this and come back and put it in here, okay? We decided to do what with the tub?
Put this in bucket to let it soak.
Okay, but instead of bringing the tub of water in here, what did we do?
We will spoil all of the carpet.
Yeah, but so what are we going to do?
We're going to put this in the water to soak for a minute.
Inside the bathroom.
Yep,
Okay, all right, and you carry it?
Yep.
All right.
It's heavy. It's a little heavy, but it's okay.
Yep.
Pull my sleeves up.
Your sleeves up?
So I don't want to splash on my face.
Yeah, because you want to set it in there easy. Don't just throw it in there, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you did a great job.
And you have to roll it too.
Roll it a little bit. All right, and we'll let it sit there for, I think, what did it say, 6 hours? All right.
No, I think it will say 10 hours.
10 hours? Well, we'll go read the directions again and see. All right, thank you.
Okay. Are you ready yet?
I am ready. All right, put the top back on there.
Okay, here we go. And now what?
Screw it on.
Did
Over
I
the
get?
seat.
Did I get any?
Yeah, you filled it all the way up. Now let's see. Now put that top on it, okay? Okay, we soaked the mushroom log in water for over 6 hours, and it says to put it back in the box. Shake off the excess and put it back in the box. So we are doing that. Yes. And yeah, show them how you spray it.
So you.
And you start tomorrow. You just spray it. Come, you move back a little bit, and then you just mist it. And then in 8 to 14 days, we should have some mushrooms.